check it out. Made it to Hunter Mountain. Oktoberfest. We did our camp thing. And Jen, I lost Jen. I don't know where she's going, but locking up the truck. And check out the hotel. This is the hotel we're staying at tonight. And Sunday. All right. Jen's got her stuff. How much stuff did you bring, honey?
I was staying for 2 days. You think we're staying for a week?
That's the way you pack.
I know.
That's the way you pack.
We'll walk right up here.
And I like it.
That's right.
Well, we're going in. We got a heated pool and heated. I didn't think it was gonna be open. We didn't bring our bathing suits, but maybe I'll wear my natural bathing suit, my birthday suit instead. What do you think, honey? Birthday suit? Huh? All right. So tie it around the cooler. What do you think? Huh? Excited? Excited to get all that crap off your hands.
You're right.
That's why I said, would you want me to stop there? You could have got a luggage cart.
I don't listen to you.
I know.
At least they have a ramp we don't go over.
But look at the side of the hotel view. It's beautiful. I'm leaving my truck there till Sunday, you know that, right?
I don't blame you.
Yeah, but what about breakfast and stuff?
Oh.
Oh, Lord, do you know how to drive? Lady! There's an entrance. There's a check-in. Cool beans. Excited?
5 minutes later.
Wow. Which way? To 234?
You're on the second floor, you're going down that hallway first, right to the elevators.
Okay. Huh? All right, so I'll shut it off. 234, honey. We got to go down the elevator, and then we go up. Second floor. Oh.
There's ice.
Oh, ice. Oh, we're gonna need that. There might be one upstairs too.
Out of the elevator, macaroni.
Thank you.
Right. End of the hall.
And all the way at the
Thank
end.
you.
Thank you.
234. Right?
Yes.
Yep.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
We're gonna make it right and right. Whoa. Honey. My hands are full. When was the last time we were in an elevator? Germany. Remember how small that elevator was?
Oh, God.
This one's got room, people. 234.
Yeah, this light. Right.
Was it 3 dots?
No, yeah, it's a yellow, it's a bright light. Right,
Oh, that might be a nice new room. Right there.
right.
All the way to the end. What is it, 234? Nine, 30, 31, 32. Oh, we're all the way at 10. All right, so this is our room. Nice, big. It's a 1-bedroom suite. You can't beat it. Look how big it is. We just got in, Jen settled in. I had to do the walkthrough. Come in the door. I got closet, ample space, very big. Luggage rack. Jen checking out the scenery. I got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 coat hangers. It's good enough. We're only here for 2 days. Iron. Dining board. I like this little bench when you come in, right to my left. Take your sneakers off. The bathroom. Holy cow. All right. Hair dryer, tissues, towel, hand towel, mirror. How you doing? Check it out. Conias. See what kind of leather body, hair wash, lather body, hair wash, creme or something, and moisturizer. I'll actually tell you what the product is. I'll let you look at that because I don't know what it is. All right, there. Clean towels. Nice big bed. It's actually a pretty decent sized bathroom. I put the fan on, but I didn't want to. But well, the shower's pretty good. Shower's pretty big. There's a seashell towel. All right, not bad. Shelf. Shelf. You can fit about. Well, I'm a big dude. Oh, let's see. I'm a big dude. So you can fit about 3 of me in here. So that's pretty big. All right? 3. That's pretty big. All right, let's get out of here. All right? Shut the fan off. Sorry, you needed some light, but it was probably a little distracting. Come in here and to the left, under the bathroom, full-size fridge. Freezer, ice cube tray. That comes in handy. Those are ice packs. Oh, look at that. Creamer. That's ours. We brought it here just for the night. Full fridge, toaster, microwave, full stove.
See, they gave creamer?
Yeah, creamer, coffee, full coffee maker if you want to bring your own. You know, but whatever. Cutlery, everything, cups, shot glasses, no, I'm just kidding. Wine glasses. This is nice. There's nothing up there. Probably nothing up there either. Oh, someone left the bag of Doritos up here, honey. The cleaning people didn't catch that. Salt and pepper, a bowl, measuring cup, and nothing, right? Nothing. All right, look at this. Another bowl in the back, dishes, platter. Nice full sink. Like in here, they have a mixer. Get the hell out of here. Oh, look, wine openers in the back.
Oh, I brought
2 of
one,
them. They brought 2. Jen brought one just in case of emergency, but cutlery.
Have one over there.
Oh, this place is can opener. There's a blender. There it is. There's a blender, can opener, a jug. I guess a jug for juice, cutting board. This place is loaded. This place, let's see. I always like looking under. A lot of people forget their storage. Ah, check it out. Didn't you got trays, baking trays, sheet pans. And by the way, we got here at 10:20 this morning, and of course we couldn't check in because check-in actually isn't until 4. But we did all our paperwork because we got up here so early. So the guy let us do our paperwork, and then he said, "Well, we'll call you when the room's done." I'm like, "Yeah, we know. We're just gonna explore." More pots and pans, and we just explored a little bit around, and he said, "Let me get your phone number so we could call you when the room's ready." I said, "All right." So we did our summer camp thing at Camp Loyaltown. Oh, ice bucket. Hello? Found the ice bucket. I found the ice bucket.
What?
I found the ice bucket.
Oh.
Trash. So he said, "Give me your phone number." Well, cleaning stuff too. They give you a little bleach and everything, and a dish rack. Not using any of that. Fire extinguisher, of course. Full-size dishwasher. Nice table to eat on. A Murphy bed. Whoa. Does anybody know what a Murphy bed is? I'm not going to do it because it's all made up nice, but that thing pulls up all the way to the wall. I guess to give you more space. A nice sink. I mean, a nice sink. I'm so tired. A nice couch, coffee table, nice lounge chair, alarm, phone, lamp, Right over here. More outlets in the back. Heating and AC. Little controls. A full dresser drawer. Another lamp. Some more towels. I believe it or not, they have a pool in here. A pool. Yes, and heated hot tubs. And it is now October 3rd. Television, DVD player, and a fireplace. But the best of all, honestly, I mean, I don't know if you could really see it. Let me do it over here, maybe. Window. That's our view. Look how gorgeous that view is. All right, we're gonna settle in. It's time to settle in, get our stuff done, get it together, make sure we have everything, unpack, and then we're gonna check out Oktoberfest. Check it out.